Yes, friends. Next VSQ from our series, that is from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes. That is VSQ number 18, friends. This is from intermediate zoology second year of Telangana state, friends. Okay, friends. What is that? What is amniocentesis? Friends, what is amniocentesis? Name any two disorders that can be detected by amniocentesis. Friends, first you have to know what is amniocentesis. Friends, you know, when the fetus or embryo is developing in the uterus or womb of our mother, it is enveloped by 4 layers. They are called as extraembryonic membranes. What are they, friends? Amnion, allantois, yolk sac and chorion. Friends, amnion, allantois, yolk sac and chorion. Okay, friends. Here first you take amnion. See, amnion is a layer which is surrounded which surrounds the embryo. It is filled with a fluid that is called as amniotic fluid. So here amnion has a fluid that is amniotic fluid. What is centesis, friends? Centesis means making a puncture and collecting the fluid. Making a puncture to the body parts and collecting the fluid. Okay, friends, that is called as amniocentesis. Okay, for example, here you see an image, friends. See, friends, here this is embryo or uterus. This is amniotic fluid. See, through a syringe or injection, we are collecting the amniotic fluid, friends. Okay, with this we can test the genetical disorders of the embryo. Okay, friends. Now we'll see the correct definition of the amniocentesis. See, friends, what is amniocentesis? Name any two disorders that can be detected by amniocentesis. Come to answer, friends. Taking out small amounts of amniotic fluid. Friends, just now I told amnion is an extraembryonic membrane. It has amniotic fluid. Okay, taking out small amounts of amniotic fluid from the amnion. From where we are collecting that fluid, friends? From the amnion. Amnion has a fluid, that is amniotic fluid. We are taking small amounts of amniotic fluid. From where, friends? From the amnion. For what? For testing genetical abnormalities, genetical disorders in the developing embryo is called amniocentesis. Friends, first you have to write the definition, friends. Once again, taking out small amounts of amniotic fluid from the amnion of from the amnion for testing genetical abnormalities in the developing embryo is called amniocentesis. Once again, friends, taking out small amounts of amniotic fluid from the amnion for testing genetical abnormalities in the developing embryo is called amniocentesis. Okay, friends, that is first question. Now you have to write, name any two disorders that can be detected by amniocentesis. Very simple, friends. Here you see, friends, Down syndrome, Edward syndrome and Turner syndrome. Friends, okay, you can detect with the help of amniocentesis which disorder, genetical disorder, friends. You know, Down syndrome, Edward syndrome and Turner syndrome, etc. You know, friends, Down syndrome. What is Down syndrome? It is a trisomy of 21st pair. What is Edward syndrome, friends? It is a trisomy of 18th pair. What is Turner syndrome, friends? It is monosomy of the X chromosome. Okay, friends, please no need to write these situations. You have to give this one only. What is Down syndrome? You have to write Down syndrome, Edwards syndrome, Turner syndrome. We can detect these genetical disorders by amniocentesis. Okay friends, now you see an image friends, see here. With the help of a syringe, we are collecting the amniotic fluid friends, okay, from the amnion of the mother. See friends, here one more image you have to see. This is friends, we are collecting the amniotic fluid for what? To detect the genetical disorders. What are those genetical disorders? Edwards syndrome, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, etc., etc. Okay friends, once again you see the definition friends. Important definition friends. Taking out small amounts of amniotic fluid from the amnion for testing genital disorders in the developing embryo is called amniocentesis. Friends, okay, what is amnion? It is one of the extra embryonic membrane. What is centesis? Collection of fluid from the body parts is called as what friends? Centesis. Okay friends, this is about this VSQ. Thank you friends. Good day.